Una welcome back to my channel today. BB Titan housemate Juicy J im don come out come give girlfriend they call Yvonne flower, and im don drop a love note. Also, Phyna don vex give better woto to ex-fan wey be say dey claim say Adimbi dey no disqualify Beauty, na Beauty for win the money over Phyna. So Juicy J and Yvonne, their ship still dey war strong. To be honest, their ship na one of the most genuine ship for the Big Brother franchise so far. No controversy, two of them just loving each other and minding their business. The guy come out today to come give his girlfriend flower, and him come out come pen down a love note. He come say, for why there is air in my lungs, I want you to know how much I love you and appreciate you. When a man they date you and they actually tell you about his feelings, they tell you how he feel about you, that na person wey be say you know say they serious. If you dey date man, the man never open a mouth before tell you say I love you, or I want to stay with you, or whatever. Valentine una no dey celebrate, Christmas una no dey celebrate together, New Year, nothing, my dear. You need to check yourself. That man is not a good person. Make sure say there's something he's hiding, so better check where. So as people they hail the guy, how he take they do a public display of affection and all of that, they reassure the girl how much he care about her, despite everything people they talk for straight. Some people come and still they drag and say he not deserve to they talk like that. Say the sheep now just for gram. The first person here say ha 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 ha. If you believe this concert, then I'm sorry for you. Why are they so desperate for clout? Don't they have anything else to rely on? Even if it's true, must you post everything? Why trying so hard to prove a point? Don't put plenty laughing emoji. Juicy J and Yvonne won't really break up. That time when they say they come out of the house, when they say fans bring out plenty story about how the guy take a massage Jenny O Bobby that time and all of that when they dey inside the house. I sure say the ship for don't spoil, they be won't spoil. The fight wey be say she and Juicy J get during Melly birthday party that time, it still not break the two of them. They actually reconcile. There's one thing where we say if you dey fight with your woman or you dey fight with your man, una to get issue, na resolve am that day so that you no go carry over. That person gonna say, God, this fake relationship again. Tell them nobody watch the UCH YouTube. So for those of you who don't know, Juicy J and Yvonne, they actually have a YouTube channel. So if you be the lover of that ship, try make they support them too for that side. Another one say Juicy don't chop mature pekus in no 1 year word. Hey. The struggle is real. Where we tell they shame our women for this country, it is very bad. That's why they see say most women, once relationship break, maybe she and the man don't dey for years and her age don't go, she go don dey fear say how if this man leave me, how I go take up. Now they see say some of the women leave them like that for that age, they go just go by themselves. Age is just a number. Make una stop to dey shame people. People suppose grow old. If you don't want to grow old, tell God, say may God remove you from earth. If you don't want to grow old, a lot of people when won't grow old, may they grow old in peace. Absolutely nothing wrong if an elderly woman is dating a guy younger than her. I'm not saying anything where they wrong inside though. As long as two of them love each other, I will clap for them. Hope Juicy J no go listen to public opinion. He will continue to the day nice to a woman. Time wey be say I see relationship wey be say sweet, I dey always happy for them. I no be bad belle person. So onto Phyna matter, an ex-fan of Phyna wey be say call himself Raku just come out to come tweet certain things wey be say make Phyna vex. According to him, he dey claim to say na Beauty suppose win the show, Adimbi and they not disqualify her. Make una take note to say right from time when even during the liquor time, when they disqualify Erica, people come and say Adimbi they not disqualify Erica for win. They can't go bring out the voting chart from week 1. Can't realize say Lekon has been topping the chart from week 1, even when Erica was nominated together with him. Later they will come enter Messieke on. Messieke they say because Tasha come out, that make Messieke no win. Now they say now because Beauty, they disqualify Beauty, that make Phyna win. But the guy can't come out and say, if I am being very honest and keeping it at 100%, if Beauty Tukura was not disqualified in the 2022 #Big Brother Naija season, she would have gone on all the way to the finals and really win it. She was clout and still clout. No other housemate really stood a chance with her. They not mention Phyna name for this write-up, but Phyna come out to come put her mouth inside. It's like she just did the thing. I don't know how she did. They monitor all these tweets. Me where they even carry news, I know they monitor all these things. So she was not tagged in this particular tweet, but somehow she see him immediately start to reply. She come say, una don't still come with rubbish. Una go just dey set people up for drags over rubbish. You are someone I like, oh, but not match line. Let bygone be bygone. Una dey wait till you bygone. Baby girls are making money in our various areas of life, love and light. Person tell me to say, Phyna go wake up one day say bygones, make let bygones be bygone for where beauty matter dey. I go say na lie. Because with the way two of them take fight after Big Brother, the fan wars, it was too much. Actually dey proud of the both of them, say they don't actually dey move past their differences. So as she make that statement, fans come out to come drag her because according to them, she was not tagged and she not supposed to come out inside. After all, if na beauty, if na her name, na be say the person call beauty no go come under that tweet to come reply. So the person called say look and pass is the best policy, especially when you are not referenced. However, because she wan create conversation, she go answer as if her name was mentioned. Stop being triggered at the mention of a particular name, and we know you have left all behind and focus on your hustle, which pays you. I guess this controversy also pays you, otherwise why even engage this post? Another one say Phyna would have won, even Brian had more fan base than Beauty. Very true. I don't get how Beauty won't even become second for that season. Fan base not plenty like that. Whether the thing go see plenty, I didn't be she still dey, but that period wey be say she comot, Brian still get fans pass her that time. Another person come say Phyna leave them. Even their devil knows the truth that no one, and I mean no one, was a match to Phyna during level up season. So haters continue to be delusional. People that thought Beauty would have won within 2 weeks in the house are the same people that voted Tinubu, and they are the real problems of this country. What a joke. We wan talk about people wey vote Tinubu. I sure say e go be Phyna fans. So let's not even go there. Another one come say Phyna would have still won. They would have still won if una like make una argue from now till eternity. The only disqualified housemate that stood a chance at winning was Tasha. You can also come under my comments to cry. Come respond, come say I see till now there is still pain in your chest that I'm the winner of 2022 and will win again if I set foot in a house again. Phyna, you will not win again if you step foot in that house. You will not. Most of your fans, they don't migrate go Ileba camp. Most of them, they don't desert, they don't escape because they not fit continue to defend every 2 eke market days. I've been waiting. She eke wey be say her fans still love her, she not fit win all stars. Now call you wey be say your fans don't escape leave you. Lie, if you come back though, you no go win. You no go even reach finals. Be say this peace wey be say she and Beauty don't find, so I hope it lasts. He may not be like the one wey be say Messi Eke and Tasha come on for interview, cry, finish, hug each other. We can't dey see two of them again, they fight online. So e good like this. I hope this peace go reign forever. Una take care, una bye.